Hi, I'm Dr. Diane Wendell. I'm a naturopathic doctor, and I've been dealing with nutrition for, over the past 20 years. And I've dealt with many, many different conditions. And chronic conditions such as cancer and diabetes and hormonal imbalance, allergies, injuries, fibromyalgia, chronic fatigue, obesity. I work with athletes and people that want to lose weight, people that want to gain weight, so many different conditions. And it's interesting, the body speaks very loud and clear, and we've become in our society very professional at covering up the symptoms and learning to live with it. And that's not living, that's existing. Most people do not realize that they can live at such a higher quality of life, and they settle for just getting by. I want to share with you an experience that I've had with one of the patients that I've dealt with. And it's very interesting, a great deal of stress in his life. He's a lawyer, and I think lawyers and CPAs and professional people hold a great deal of stress. And they just learn to deal with it, and they just keep moving on because they have a lot of responsibility. But not just professional people. It can be the mother in the home. It could be the school teacher in the classroom. We deal with a great deal of many stressors, and we have a lot of stressors around us. One of the stressors that I found to be very significant in destroying cells is electromagnetic fields. And in working with this lawyer, I had done a live cell analysis on him, and in viewing the live cell analysis, I was quite shocked. It was an oxidative stress, and anytime the cells are very tightly connected in a Rolu position, I know that we're dealing with preconditions, and that can create inflammation in the body, lack of oxygen, the nutrients are not, and the oxygen are not able to get to the extremities of the body, and basically create a shutdown condition. I want to share with you the blood test that I had taken from the lawyer. And again, is very, very stressed, preconditions, and you're wondering, what could be taking place here, what's causing it. And in using the NVT technology, I realized that I had something that was real. And in taking a sample of his blood, you see that there's a great deal of distress. And 10-minute intervals, I would retest him. And you can see for yourself the change in the blood, how the cells that were sticky were breaking apart and were free-flowing, and it corrected the charge on the cell, which therefore was able to disperse the nutrients, the oxygen, and the energy throughout the bloodstream. And it brings the body up to optimal levels. The body's able to breathe and heal and function and feel good at optimal levels. I really believe in this. Thank you. Technology, we see that the cells are beginning to move. They're beginning to flow much more freely. They're much more active.